Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Quizlet. To find Quizlet, let's go to Google Classroom. Now I can go to Wombat Class and always remember to click Classwork in the bottom middle. Let's look for Quizlet. Here it is. So let's click Arthur's Reading Race. Now I can study all of the words I need to learn. Let's start with flashcards. Make sure at the top right corner that it's playing the sound. Ask.
To put a question.
To put a question.
Ask.
Ask. I'm still learning, so I'm going to move this card to the left.
Words.
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 Words. I know words, so I'm going to move it to the right.
Walk.
Walk. She's walking. I know this.
Laugh. Laughed.
Laugh, laughed.
To smile.
To smile. He's laughing. I'm still learning.
Sit. Sat.
If I'm finished with flashcards, then I can go to learn. Here at the top right, let's make sure that the sound is turned on to autoplay audio. And I can choose if I want to do spelling written or no.
To see a book.
To see a book. Let's pick read.
To study.
To study. Learn, learned.
A baby dog.
A baby dog. Puppy.
To speak.
Maybe words? Uh-oh, that's okay. Here, it shows me the right answer. Say said. Let's click the blue button to continue.
To take.
If I finished learn and I think I'm ready, then I can try and take a test. Just like before, I can choose. How many questions do I want to have on my test? Do I want to have true and false? Do I want to practice my spelling? I'm going to do multiple choice. And I can click the blue button to start test. What is he doing? Sit, sat. When I'm finished with the test and everything, then I can have some fun by playing match. It's a fun game where I try to match the words. Here's the picture and she's walking. A baby dog is a puppy. Sit, sat. She's reading a book. And I'm all finished. Now we can study with Quizlet. Have fun!